impressive size and intelligence, they have some truly peculiar habits. Believe it or not, elephants sometimes eat their own poop, or the poop of other elephants. This odd behavior, called coprophagy, is thought to help them get beneficial gut bacteria for digesting tough plant matter, especially when new leaves are sprouting. Baby elephants sometimes copy this from their elders. Body language quirks. You might see elephants kneeling, rolling around in the dust, lying down for a rest, or playfully manipulating objects with their trunks. These behaviors, while sometimes practical, also add to their unique charm. Voice mimicry. Some elephants can imitate human speech. An Asian elephant named Koshet learned to say 5 words in Korean. Scientists believe he did this to strengthen his bond with his human caregivers, who were his main social group. Ecosystem engineers. Elephants play a vital role in shaping their environment. They use their tusks to dig for water, creating watering holes that many other animals rely on. Language experts. Elephants are surprisingly perceptive when it comes to human languages. In Kenya, elephants reacted with fear to the Maasai language, likely because the Maasai people have historically hunted them. However, they showed no reaction to the Kamba language, demonstrating their ability to distinguish between different human groups and their associated threats. Baby elephants most of the time copy behavior from their elders. Elephants are sensitive to other animals, especially young ones. Elephants bath either with water or dust. Elephant have playtime. Elephants do not primarily focus on grass in their diet, but they do consume it, especially during periods of abundance. On average, grass makes up between 10% and 15% of an elephant's diet. An elephant can eat up to 100 kilograms of grass a day. Elephants are human-friendly. If provoked, they can get dangerous. Grief and mourning rituals. Elephants seem to experience grief. They've been observed gently touching the bones of deceased elephants with their trunks, standing guard over bodies for extended periods, and even attempting to bury them. This suggests a deep emotional connection within their families. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.